video we're going to be choosing which kids' invention we'll be bringing to life this month.
And we made a crazy jacket made out of ice cubes.
Kids invent stuff.
So last month we challenged kids to send us their ideas for crazy inventions to keep people cool in the heat.
And we were sent some incredible ideas.
And we're super excited to be bringing some of those inventions to life. In fact, we have already built one of those crazy inventions, but we are excited to be bringing one of those inventions properly to life in our build and test episodes coming up soon.
But first, before we reveal what we're building this month, here's our top 5 of the inventions we were sent.
5!
Isla and Finn sent us their awesome idea for a weather rainbow. It features moving fairy clouds that you can ride on and that fire out wind and rain to cool everyone down. And 6-year-old Natasha came up with a headband covered in fans, so you can carry a cool breeze with you wherever you go. Georgia sent us her design for the polar bear drink shooter, which drives around shooting out ice cold fizzy drinks whenever you need them. We loved Layla's super simple idea for a giant water balloon that can be used to prank people by bursting the balloon with a bow and arrow. And 6-year-old Kamani designed a whole house with ice cubes inside the wall, so you can turn your home into one giant freezer. So a massive thank you to everyone who sent in an invention idea. It is genuinely one of our favourite jobs to do, to look through all your incredible inventions.
It's always super difficult to choose which one we're going to build, but here is the invention that we're going to be bringing to life for this month's build and test.
We're going to be bringing to life 6-year-old Seren's swing cooler invention. It's a normal, everyday swing with a twist. It has fans and water squirters that, when activated, turn the swing into the ultimate cooling invention. So we're super excited to be bringing to life 6-year-old Seren's super swing, I like that, super swing with fans and water. However, there was one invention that kept popping up again and again for an ice jacket or a suit that's made out of ice, and we thought we should give that a go. Roll on the ice suit.
Genuinely quite scared about wearing a suit made of ice. Oh, it's cold. That is cold. It's not the most fun thing I've ever done. I mean, it's all for a good cause. Definitely feel like I wet myself.
You look like it as well.
Tommy, providing support.
It's freezing.
Are you struggling in the heat? Then you need the new Kids Invent Stuff ice jacket.
Ta-da! I'm not sure it's the best thing we've made.
Do the robot. The ice robot. I am absolutely freezing. I actually went to the Arctic in 2011, and this is colder. This is colder than being in the Arctic. A massive thank you to everyone who sent in an invention idea for this challenge. We are super excited to be bringing to life
Seren's giant swing.
6-year-old Seren's swing that fires out water to cool you down when you're swinging on it.
Well, I might borrow from this because I'm absolutely boiling now from building that. Thanks.
3, 2, 1. So that's how you escape from an ice suit. See you next week. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.